Now roundabouts can really be tricky, so you've got to be extra vigilant when approaching these. You've got to look ahead for traffic lights, road signs and markings indicating which lane you should be in. Try to get into the correct lane early. Use your mirrors and signal appropriately, noting that the lane and the signal you use will vary according to which exit you're taking. Now take note of other vehicles around you, slowing down to match their speed and position on the road. Now priority should always be given to vehicles approaching from the right, unless signs or road markings say otherwise. Check that the traffic in front of you has moved off the roundabout, and you've got to be aware of pedestrians, cyclists, motorcyclists and larger vehicles. Now with mini-roundabouts, the space to turn and the time to signal is reduced. With multiple roundabouts, approach each roundabout as a separate one. So for more driving lesson tips, download my training guide from the link on screen and the one below. Good luck and thank you.